How to use Lalal.ai safely and securely. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, make sure you are using a secure and up-to-date browser to avoid any security issues during your session. Always log in using your official Lalal.ai account and avoid using public or shared devices when accessing your files. Before uploading any audio or video file, double-check the content and ensure it doesn't contain sensitive or copyrighted material unless you have the right to use it. While using Lalal.ai, make sure to monitor your internet connection and avoid using unsecured public Wi-Fi to prevent any data interception. Also check the privacy policy and terms of service on their website to understand how your data is being handled. When you are done using Lalal.ai, always log out of your account to keep your information safe. And that's it. Now you know how to use Lalal.ai safely and securely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.